If you're seeing a Hubspot 500 internal server error, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to fix it step by step, so you can get back into Hubspot and keep working without wasting time. This kind of error usually means something temporary is happening on the server side, but there are also a few easy things on your end that can cause it. So we'll walk through the practical fixes first, and then check whether the issue is coming from Hubspot itself. If this video helps, please hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more simple tech fixes. Let's get started. The first thing to do is refresh the page and try again later. Sometimes a 500 error is just a temporary glitch, and a simple reload can fix it immediately. If that doesn't work, wait a few minutes and try again, because the problem may clear up on its own. Next, clear your browser cache. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Cached files can sometimes interfere with Hubspot loading properly, so removing them gives the page a fresh start. After that, try disabling your browser extensions. Go back to Chrome, click the three dots again, open Extensions, and then Manage Extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, script blockers, or privacy tools, can conflict with Hubspot and trigger errors. Turn them off temporarily, then reload Hubspot and see if the issue is gone. If the error still appears, switch your network connection. Try moving from Wi-Fi to a hotspot or from a hotspot back to Wi-Fi. This helps you check whether the problem is related to your current internet connection or network settings. In some cases, a strict network or unstable connection can interrupt Hubspot and cause a server error message to appear. Another important step is to disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. Hubspot sometimes has trouble loading correctly when your traffic is routed through a VPN, and that can lead to unexpected errors. Turn it off, refresh the page, and test again. If you're still getting the error, check Hubspot's status page. Sometimes the issue isn't on your device at all. If Hubspot is having a service outage or partial disruption, you may need to wait until their systems are back online. That's why it's always a good idea to confirm whether the problem is widespread before spending too much time troubleshooting your browser. Once you've gone through these steps, try loading Hubspot again and see if the 500 internal server error is resolved. In many cases, one of these fixes will get things working again. And if it still isn't fixed, the next step is usually to contact Hubspot support and share exactly what you've already tried. That makes it much easier for them to diagnose the issue. If this tutorial helped you fix the problem, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.